Imagine if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning. What would happen to oceans, cities, and even you? Would we just fly off? Or would the planet itself be destroyed? Today, we're diving into this mind-blowing scenario. Stay with me. You won't believe some of the consequences. Why Earth spins. Earth rotates once every 24 hours. This spin didn't happen randomly. It's a leftover from the cloud of dust and gas that formed our planet billions of years ago. The rotation gives us day and night, shapes the oceans, and drives our weather patterns. At the equator, the Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than any jet plane. This rotation is more than just motion. It's a crucial force that keeps life balanced on our planet. Immediate effects. If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning, the results would be catastrophic. Everything that isn't firmly anchored to the ground would be flung eastward at incredible speeds. Oceans would surge across continents. Cars, buildings, and even people could be thrown violently. The sudden halt would trigger mega tsunamis, massive winds, and widespread destruction. The very moment the planet stops, life as we know it would face unimaginable danger. Gravity and centrifugal force. Gravity keeps us grounded, but the Earth's rotation slightly counteracts gravity at the equator. Without spinning, this balance would change dramatically. Oceans would move toward the poles, exposing land near the equator and flooding polar regions. Mountains, valleys, and coastlines would be reshaped. The redistribution of water alone would change the face of the planet, and life would struggle to survive in these new conditions. Day and night changes. Without rotation, one side of the Earth would face the sun permanently, while the other side would be in endless darkness. The side facing the sun would scorch under relentless heat, while the dark side would freeze in extreme cold. Plants, animals, and humans would have to adapt or perish. Life as we know it depends on the gentle rhythm of day and night, and without it, ecosystems would collapse. Weather chaos. The Earth's rotation drives wind patterns and ocean currents. Stop the spin, and the weather would become extreme. Hurricanes and superstorms could form constantly, with winds far stronger than any we've ever seen. Temperatures would swing between scorching heat and freezing cold. The atmosphere itself would shift unpredictably, making weather almost impossible to survive. Ocean and land redistribution. Currently, Earth bulges at the equator because of its rotation. If it stopped, water would migrate toward the poles, creating massive polar oceans. Equatorial regions would become dry, barren land. Stretching for thousands of kilometers, this would completely change the planet's geography, turning once thriving regions into deserts and flooding polar areas into new seas. Long-term climate effects. Over decades and centuries, the climate would stabilize differently. The sun-facing side would experience unrelenting heat, while the dark side would be locked in freezing cold. Ice caps would melt and shift, altering ocean currents and possibly triggering new ice ages. Life would adapt slowly, but many species would disappear. Civilization would face enormous challenges, and the balance that allowed humans to thrive would be gone. Effects on life. Humans and animals rely on the Earth's rotation for sleep cycles, agriculture, and ecosystems. Crops depend on regular sunlight and darkness. Without spinning, these natural cycles collapse. Food production would fail in many regions, and humans would have to survive in extreme heat or cold. Animals would struggle to find food and shelter. Life in all its forms depends on Earth spin. Could Earth stop spinning? Could Earth actually stop spinning? Not naturally. The forces required to halt the planet are unimaginably huge, far beyond anything humans or meteor impacts could produce. This thought experiment helps us understand just how vital Earth rotation is. Without it, the delicate balance that sustains life would be destroyed.
The next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, remember, Earth's spin is what makes life possible. It shapes our days, nights, weather, and oceans. The rotation of our planet is not just motion, it's a lifeline. If you enjoyed exploring this mind-blowing scenario, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell for more incredible science content. Thank you for watching.